Canada's unemployment rate is on the rise, growing to 6.8% in December. That number comes even though 8,200 jobs were added last month. And let's bring in our business analyst, Kris McCusker. And Kris, this jobs report really is a mixed bag, isn't it?
Yes, so some good news and some bad news, Cynthia. So hiring momentum cooled, but there was a gain for a fourth straight month in jobs in Canada's economy. So if you are keeping track, that means our economy has seen cumulative job gains of more than 188,000 over that 4-month stretch. So that's pretty substantial. Pretty impressive. This uptick in the jobless rate, though, as more people looked for work, that too is a good thing. It was the first spike, though, in the jobless rate since August. So our labor market is holding up despite the U.S. tariffs hitting exports and investment. Maybe not for much longer, though. Immigration has also slowed. None of this is likely to move the Bank of Canada at the next interest rate announcement on January the 28th. I checked. There's a less than 1% chance that we see a cut. Yeah.
Okay.
We also get an inflation update on January 19th, so that will be a factor for the bank. And there are still a number of unknowns, of course. Trade still up in the air, and it's not clear how that's going to factor into the interest rate path.
Again, so many unknowns given Trump. Now let's talk about the U.S. It doesn't look like they're getting an interest rate cut either.
Yeah, and the thing that's interesting here, 50,000 jobs added in the U.S. last month. That was below forecast. The jobless rate fell more than expected, so sort of a different picture here.
Interesting.
And the other thing, too, is that it's not really clear if all of the U.S. government shutdown bumps have been worked through these job reports as well. Just a 4% chance for an interest rate cut in the U.S. at the end of January. Again, the announcement will be on the same date. Canada and the U.S. Immigration also slowing in the U.S. This data also coming today as we wait for that U.S. Supreme Court decision on the legality of tariffs.
Right.
Didn't happen today. The next possibility we could hear is Wednesday. So stay tuned to stay tuned.
Stay tuned to stay tuned. Uncertain times. Don't we always end with that?
Yes,
All right.
yes.
Kris McCusker, as always, thank you very much.
Thank you.